Hello beautiful people, it's your girl Resilient Curls, and today I'm coming to you with a quick video on how to do some perm rods.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying, I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you see more videos from me, and comment down below. Let me know that you're watching. Let me know how was your day, and I'll be commenting back to you. So I'm going to be going in with this leave-in right here. And then I'm going to be parting my hair in not so perfect parts because it's not going to be shown, as you see here. Go in with the Nairobi foaming mousse. This is actually my second time using it, and I know it's been around for years, but I saturate my hair with that 2 to 3 pumps, and I make sure to detangle my hair with my Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush to smooth out my hair.
Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations. Please and make a then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working. Soaking the moments you live in.
Make sure that my hair is laying on the rod very nice and neat, and I add more product to my ends to make sure it's nice and sleek. And then I just proceed to wrap my hair around the rod until I get to the very top, and I secure it with the clip. I repeat this process until my whole head is done.
Don't take it. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying, I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Take generations, please, and make then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus.
This is the very next day. My hair is completely dried, and as you can see, my face is beat. If you're interested in seeing what I use on my face, the video will be linked above and below for you, so please check it out if you're interested. But anyways, I coat my hands with some oil to prevent any unnecessary frizz, and I begin to remove the perm rods very carefully.
And live my life off screen, taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen, taking time out to be and live my life.
And this is what my hair looks like once all the rods are out. And I simply unravel my hair in the opposite direction of how I installed them to make sure that my hair will separate naturally. And that's where I pull my hair apart. Then I will use some oil to prevent any unnecessary frizz. If there's any frizz, that's all right with me, because I feel like frizz gives the hair personality and some extra volume. So thumbs up for that.
Meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey.
And as you can see, I keep separating my hair until I'm satisfied. I didn't really go in with the separation because it was really hot this day in New York, so I didn't want to go crazy with it.
Make a name for generations, please, and make a then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
These are my results. I like how I look. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.